First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. If you're experiencing advanced Veo AI video errors, start by identifying exactly what went wrong. Watch the generated clip and note whether the problem involves the character, background, camera movement, lighting, audio, motion, or overall video generation. Next, review the prompt you used. Long or conflicting instructions can sometimes produce unpredictable results, so simplify the prompt and focus on the most important elements. For example, clearly separate the subject, action, environment, camera movement, and visual style. If the character looks distorted, simplify the character's actions and use a clear reference image when supported. If the background changes unexpectedly, reinforce the environment details and keep the scene description consistent. For camera problems, describe one clear camera movement instead of combining several complicated movements. If you notice flickering or unstable lighting, use consistent lighting conditions and avoid unnecessary rapid changes. If the generated video fails completely, try a simpler prompt first. Generate a basic scene with one subject and a simple environment. If that works, gradually add the other elements to identify which part of the original prompt caused the problem. Also check the current Veo AI interface for supported formats, generation limits, file requirements, and available model features. If you are using uploaded images or other reference files, verify that they meet the current requirements. For API-related errors, check your authentication, model configuration, request format, quota, and network connection. If the problem appears temporary,